Victory I envision, so my mission is to win. One look at my arms, she like Wizzle, where your skin. Hating niggas talk, hear they whispers in the wind, but I don't wanna do them harm, so I kill them with my pen. Nicky Santoro, money don't bend. Root of all evil, guess my bank is full of sin. Couldn't be a suit and tie, tired of barely paying rent. Told them fuckers I'm doing numbers, so take it on the chin. Metabolism quick, so it's hard to see what I'm eating. Going on retreats and rolling sweets while I'm tweeting. Paradise for a week and then I'm back in the trap. Never dealt with any drugs, still the task on my back. Money on my mind, everything strapped. You kidding and playing, I teach a class how to act. Somebody tell YouTube I probably need a plaque. Couple 100,000 views and I did that on my Mac. 09's mine, 08 was great. They honored Kanye and paid Lil Wayne. Gucci did a bid but came home and got straight. And every nigga in the biz did a song with T-Pain. No front page, but for those who did, I send them my best wishes. The industry's a bitch, that's why I'm on my shit. New luggage in the flip, shooting movies of my life. No script, no script. Yeah, Sean Khalifa, man. Twitter.com/RealWizKhalifa. Follow me. Okay. I told y'all, man, we gonna be kicking these tweet styles off real frequently. You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, we shout out some of these members of my Twitter family. If y'all don't know, we doing 100. Make sure y'all hit me up, let me know.